Springtime is upon us. Finally, my heavens, this winter was long and I am just ready to eat all the fresh things that there are. This is a wonderful salad that is super easy to throw together, lots of flavor, everybody loves it, and it's perfect for Easter coming up next week. First thing we're gonna do, put a pan on heat just above medium. And I have 5 strips of really thick cut bacon here, and we're just going to cut that into slices here. All right, it's been heated up. I'm gonna drop the temperature just a smidge. Bacon goes right in. I'm gonna break it up so there aren't any big pieces, and just watch that as it renders. And just keep an eye on the temperature, move it up and down as you need to keep it sizzling and get that fat to render out. Give it just a little black pepper. While that's going, the rest of the ingredients, I have 5 ounces each of baby spinach and arugula. Super tasty mix. I have about 6 ounces, just less than a cup of fresh blueberries, 4 ounces of goat cheese. This is chev that's been kind of crumbled up. There are different types of chev. Some are more dry and crumbly and some are a little more creamy. For this salad, I would go with something a little more dry. It works out really well. And then the other ingredients for our dressing, which I'll show you as soon as the bacon is ready. This has been rendered out, and I'm putting the bacon into this bowl here. It has some paper towel in it, kind of get some of that extra grease out. So keep the bacon grease off the heat for a while. We want that to cool down for probably, I don't know, 15 or 20 minutes. While the bacon grease is cooling down, we're going to prepare the rest of the dressing. We only use about half bacon grease and half olive oil, just an extra virgin olive oil. So in a bowl, we'll put about 2.5 tablespoons. To that, I'll add 2.5 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Next, our lemon. About 90% of the time that I use lemon juice, I also use the zest, especially in dressings and marinades, things like that. It just goes so perfectly with it. So we're going to add the zest of about half a lemon. This one's been washed. Make sure you wash the outside. That ends up being about 2 teaspoons up to a tablespoon of lemon zest. Cut the lemon in half. And right now, we'll just add 1/2 the juice from 1/2 of the lemon. And then just whisk it together until it's nice and evenly mixed and comes together. The Dijon mustard, it actually acts as an emulsifier, so it kind of allows everything to combine together. And we just want to break up all those bits of honey. Give it a little taste. It's a little sweet and a little sour, which means that we're high on the honey and the lemon, which is okay because we're going to add some more of the bacon grease in here. That will kind of even that out, and then we'll adjust with a little bit more of the lemon as needed. So we'll go ahead, any bacon pieces that are left in here, small ones, you can just grab those. And we'll just add about 3 tablespoons of the bacon grease. As the vinaigrette cools down, if it cools down too much, you will see like lumps in it, and that's just the bacon grease cooling down. You can pop it in the microwave for like 10 seconds and then stir it up, and then you'll be good as gold. To serve, just the bacon, Goes right over top. We have all of the blueberries. And if it gets to the point where it looks like too much, you can stop. You know, I'm gonna, it'll be all right. I'm just gonna go with it all. And then the goat cheese, that goes in next. Lastly, but not leastly, the vinaigrette. And this just kind of evenly disperse over top. Okay, and we want to just give this a light toss. You don't want to have everything drop to the bottom. You just kind of grab it, shake it around, get that dressing moving. That's it. Nothing else to do. It's super delicious. I bet that people will really like it when you serve it to them. The recipe is linked in the description of this video. Give it a try, let us know how you liked it, and we hope that you enjoy.